Leads slipping through the cracks? Conversations going cold? Just not getting the leads that you're looking for? Give me 60 seconds and I'll show you exactly how to fix that. The first step is knowing your story, your values, beliefs, and behaviors, not just your product. In our free mini course, we show you step by step how to take that story and turn it into real action. Knowing your audience, learn how to capture exactly what people need and how they communicate. Telling your story, we show you how to automate your story through AI chatbots, follow ups, and multi step campaigns so conversations actually convert. This course walks you through real workflows, showing you exactly how to implement outcome based communication, capture leads, convert them without guesswork or extra effort. Stop leaving leads on the table. Click the link below and sign up for our free mini course and see exactly how to guide you from knowing your story to converting real results.